We've got to pack. Mochi, be good.
Don't worry, girl. We'll be back soon.
Bye, Mochi. We love you.
Max. Lily. Meow, 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 meow. Max. Lily. Hey, little one. You look hungry. Here, have some tuna. Max. Lily. I lost my family. Now I don't know where to go.
Hey, you a sweet little thing? You can stay here, kitty.
Mochi never found Max and Lily, but her journey led her to a cozy cafe filled with love. As she curled up by the window, she dreamed of the family who first showed her what love truly meant. And she realized, love finds you in unexpected places.